So how to find the details, how to find details of your hosting plan on Hostinger website builder. So what you're gonna have to do is to go to right over here. We can find websites, and then here, let's say I'd like to find details of this plan. I'm gonna click on dashboard here, and right over here, you'll be able to find. Right over here, you'll be able to click on hosting plan, and then here just select details, please. And now here you'll be able to find details of your website details, your name servers, your name servers, your server names, your FTP details, also hosting details. So that's where you need to go. I hope you found this short video helpful. So thanks for watching and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. And if you have more suggestions for the next video, leave your suggestions in the comments section.